Okay, so this is the end of today's semi-finals. SENYA Junior Science and Maths Quiz. And so we are to have a short conversation with a great man in SENYA. And you know, on my self media, we don't introduce our guests. So please say, who are you in SENYA?
Well, I'm Samuel Ebo Nyakobafu. I'm popularly known as Topilo. I'm the chairman of the SENYA Junior Science and Maths Quiz.
Wow, so he is the chairman for SENYA Junior Science and Maths Quiz. Okay, so first of all, looking at the performance of today, what do you say about it?
In fact, the contestants have done well. Okay. Because semi-finals, the questions are conceptual. Okay. So we expect them to use the concept they've learned in school in solving everyday problems. Semi-final level or stage is not like the prelims or the quarterfinals. So we want to see them how they can express themselves, applying theories in solving everyday problems. And in fact, right from round one, we saw that they were trying to apply. Some were unable, though, but I'm sure in the morning, the contest between Christ the Redeemer and then SENYA, I think the performance was okay, because it's not like the quarter where it was easier. But at this stage, it's of a different level. Brilliant, have done well to secure 44 points at the semi-final level. It's not easy. They've done well, and congratulations to them.
Okay. So, looking at this year performance, I'm still on the performance as compared to last year. Has there been any change, any difference?
Oh yeah. Last year, though we are not yet at the grand finale. Okay. Comparing last year's performance to this, I would say the contestants last year were smarter.
Oh, okay.
And in fact, most of the quarterfinal contests were challenging. Okay. But this year it seems one-sided. Oh, okay. If you could imagine, the contest one, it was one-sided, and this one too one-sided. So we are praying that maybe the grand finale we're going to have an exciting contest. Last year we had Julius from DAA, okay, and then Righteous. Then there was this lady, Esther Russell Dance. Okay. They were brilliant, very smart, and so we are praying that at the grand finale we see a show of brilliance.
Okay. So do you think the schools, the teachers of the schools, has to do more or put much effort to shape our students from basics to this level?
Exactly, my brother. Exactly. Okay. Let me first of all congratulate the winners. I mean the coordinators. Okay. Also, I want to appreciate all all teachers, all science and math coordinators. I think they are doing their best. But as you ask, in fact, they need to put in more. Okay. They need to start even from JHS1 and start grooming them, training them. You see, you need to train the kids. If you are able to train them well, when they come here, they will perform miracle. They will perform magic. And when a question is posed, within some few seconds, an answer will be given. And some people, some coordinates might think, no, but it is not so. Okay. It is the technique and the tricks. If you are well trained, how to use the eye in combination with the brain, within some few seconds, you will be able to answer most of the questions. In the morning, we saw this guy, Brad Nyan. He answered the math question, and I gave him a standing ovation. He answered the question within 5 seconds. Wow. So that tells you how technical and smart the guy is. Okay. I was so happy to see a guy like that at this level answer a third question. A fraction with numerator with 5 plus with 3, and denominator with 5 minus with 3. Give me the answer as 4 plus with 15 within 3 seconds. Wow. In fact, people like us now answer these questions. Okay. So if a boy of this type or at this level is able to answer a question like that, then I think SENYA has a future.
SENYA has a future. SENYA has a future, but it needs a lot of people to ensure the future is bright. Bringing our conversation to an end, what's your final word?
My final word is very simple. This is a good initiative. Let's all embrace it. Let's all support it. We need corporate bodies on board. Philanthropists must come on board. SENYA is for all of us. That's why we say, Okwanwa SENYA Babode. Your participation, your involvement will help develop SENYA, will help make SENYA successful. So we are pleading with everybody to come on board and support. We need more sponsors. There are a lot of things we need to do. We haven't done that. We have to appreciate even the point conversion is from our own pocket. We need people on board. You see, at the quarterfinal, a point worth 2 points. So at the semi, we wanted to increase the rate, but the financial strength, the financial ability is not there. That's why we maintain that same true dynasty. So we are pleading with corporate bodies, NGOs, our politicians, everybody. You can support us with the little amount you can offer. Thank you very much.
You can support us with the little you have. This is Myself Media on SENYA Junior Science and Maths Quiz. The chairman has spoken. Please, let's help this initiative to ensure SENYA is the best. Thank you.